Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Shani, and today I'm taking you guys on this DIY journey with me. I am showing you all the flaws that we had and issues that we had with this table that was supposed to be super simple. But again, this DIY journey for us has been a learning experience, and I'm taking you guys on the good, the bad, and the ugly. So we had to redo the table to make it look like this. The first time that we did it, we used a stair spindle leg that did not work at all. It was not beefy enough to kind of hold the weight of the table. So we did buy the cut wood, the circles that you can get from Menards or Home Depot. This is the second to largest size. I think this is about 48 inches or 36 inches. But we wanted this to be a nice tall coffee table to kind of go with the height of our couch because we eat here, we play games here, we do a lot of stuff here. So check out the video, and then I'm going to show you guys how we got to this. So when I was searching Pinterest, I saw someone use stair spindles for coffee table legs, and I thought it would be really, really cool to try it. So we picked those up from Home Depot. I believe they were like $3 or $4 each. Of course, we bought 4. But you guys are just going to kind of see the trial and error that we took on this. They did not come out well. So what I did was I went ahead and cut off a few inches off of them because we didn't need them as tall as they were. So we did go ahead. I went to my miter saw, which I absolutely love. This miter saw I have had since we started woodworking, which was in about 2016 when we started. And my grandfather gifted me this miter saw. I could buy a nicer, fancier one, but since he gifted it to me, I like it for that reason. But what I'm doing now is I am just measuring. Sorry, my hair is in the way, but I am measuring and then cutting the spindle down to the size that I needed for my coffee table. We wanted our coffee table to be a little bit taller than the average coffee table because we are using it like to eat sometimes. Sometimes we like to eat in the living room and just kind of to play games and things like that. So now my husband is going ahead and he is drilling pocket holes with our Craig jig. This is one of the best tools that we have. It's awesome. It can give you those pocket holes, and it works so well. So we're doing that. This process is definitely trial and error. We would have never thought that the table would not have ended up well with these with these stair spindles, but it did not because it was off balance, and you guys will kind of see that in a minute. But it was not, these things do not support a lot of weight. And I'm gonna like decorate the coffee table and stuff like that with like books and stuff. So this is not gonna work. As you guys see, Ace is trying to help me, as he always is. He is in every video. If you don't know, Ace is my German Shepherd who just turned 5 years old. So right now I'm just testing it out to kind of see what it's gonna look like, where I want to place my spindles. Sorry my butt is in the view, but I'm trying to give you guys the best view, and of course it comes tumbling down. So I'm gonna try it again, but ultimately one day it was just so shaky and just a hot mess that we ended up using the thicker pieces of wood. We ended up using 1x2s, which worked out a lot better for us. But I'll let you guys kind of see our trial and error and then see the end result. I do not. Oh, Ace ate it. When did he do that? Like, I don't understand. So as you guys can see, our dog ate our old spindles. We did replace the spindles with these 1x2s, and it's a much sturdier fit. It doesn't wiggle, it doesn't shake, it's not rocky at all. But again, if you have a dog, does your dog eat your wood or anything else around your house? I know when Ace was a puppy, he ate everything. He even ate our couch. But I don't understand at 5 why he's still doing these things. But anyways, back to this table. I'm just kind of showing you guys my husband screwing down the last of the 1x2s, and then we're gonna flip it back over and decide what we're gonna do to the new legs. Balls, like from a dowel. I can add those on the bottom to kind of add some texture, because I just feel like this table looks too plain. Should I paint it a different color? Should I stripe it? Should I sand it down and just resand it? I just feel like it looks too boring. And my house, like, I was just kind of give you a glimpse, very colorful and vibrant, and I'm over here like laying on the couch, but it's very vibrant. Furniture pieces that we have used in our home, and I just kind of want this table to do a little bit more for me. The couch we'll be getting rid of soon, but I'm not sure what kind of couch we're gonna get. But I just kind of feel like this table needs some extra something. So if you can give me your opinion down in the comments below of what we should do. My husband thinks we should just stain it the same color as the top. I don't necessarily want to do that, but I will. But let me know what you guys think. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for growing with me and just kind of learning this DIY thing as we go. And I just want to thank you guys again. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm trying to grow this channel. So take you guys on this journey with me. So thank you guys again for watching. Have a good one. Bye.